Today I'm gonna be eating some patty, and I'm gonna be attempting it with some chopsticks, which are skewer sticks, because I don't have chopsticks, but I think they're the same thing. But I've got some eggs here, and I've got some fish sauce with some carrots, some onion, and some Irish. And there's just a little bit of fish, like this amount. Yeah, so this is the fish patty. See, it got cheese inside too, y'all. I got a spicy one, I got extra cheese one, and I got extra plantain one, and I've got some water. Let's pray and let's get started. Okay, chopsticks are so hard to use that. Yo, oh my god. This is a next outside video. I think this is an extra cheesy one. Like you can see the cheese coming out. It's just a little. See, there's cheese coming out. Ooh, look here too. Extra cheesy one. Y'all, this is so hard. So cheesy. It hurts your hands so bad. So big one. This is the spicy one. Oh, this is a spicy one.